So once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the transportation engineering, and the question was the compensated gradient provided at the curve of radius 50 meter with a ruling gradient of 6% is 4.4%, 4.5%, 4.75%, and 5.25%. These are the options. So the compensated gradient. So why there is a requirement of the grade compensation, and what is the gradient? So gradient is the length of rate of change, rate of rise or fall along the length of road. And grade compensation, why grade compensation is required? So when there is a horizontal curve in addition to gradient, then there will be increased resistance to tractive force due to both curve and gradient. In that case, IRC has suggested to compensate the gradient. But IRC also suggests that the grade compensation is not required when the gradient is flatter than 4%. So when gradient is flatter than 4%, so there is no need of grade compensation. According to IRC, grade compensation is equal to 30 plus R by R, or maximum of 75 by R in percentage, or we can see that whichever is minimum value, whichever is less. So in the question, the radius of the curve is given, that is 50 meter. So grade compensation can be computed as 30 plus R, so 30 plus 50 by 50%, and the maximum of 75 by 50%, whichever is less. So this value 30 plus 50, it is coming 1.6%, and maximum value is, we can take, that is 1.5%, or take the minimum value. So grade compensation that is 1.5%, and the ruling gradient is 6%, so it is greater than 4%. So here gradient is given, gradient is equal to 6%. So the compensated gradient can be computed as, so compensated gradient is equal to the gradient that is given, ruling gradient minus grade compensation. So it will be 6 minus grade compensation is 1.5, so it is 1.5. So compensated gradient is 4.5%. So B option is correct. Let us say in this question, another form, if the ruling gradient is given, if ruling gradient is 5%, then compensated gradient can be computed as compensated gradient that is equal to ruling gradient 5 minus grade compensation is 1.5. So it is 5 minus 1.5. So this value is 3.5%. But IRC suggests that grade compensation cannot be applied if the gradient is flatter than 4%. So it cannot be 4%. So compensated gradient is 4%.